Hi. Let me show you how to place your first order on the MT4 and MT5 trading platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your TIOmarkets account. Step 2. Click on Open Live Account. Step 3. Select your account details. Your live account has been created. Now you need the MT4 or MT5 trading platform. For this guide, we'll be continuing with the MT4 on mobile. Step 4. Click on Downloads. Step 5. Install the MT4 on your device. Step 6. Log into your account. Step 7. Select the TIOmarkets server. Step 8. Enter your credentials from your email. Step 9. Choose the instrument you want to trade. Finally, select whether to buy or sell. That's it. Your order has been successfully executed. Good luck on your trading journey.